friends, this is Monish Kishore and you're watching School Mentors. In today's episode, we are going to watch how to multiply any number by 11. To do that, let's take up an example. Say for here, we are going to take an example of 23. So let's multiply 23 into 11. To do that, we are going to take the 3 of 23 and write on the right hand side of our answer like so. And the left will go on the left side of the answer as 2. Now we're going to add 2 plus 3, which is going to give us an answer of 5, and we are going to take this 5 and write on the middle of 2 and 3. So the answer to 23 into 11 will become 253. Taking up another example, let's say 54 by 11. The 4 of 54 we are going to write same way on the right hand side of the answer, and 5 is going to go on the left side of the answer. And again, adding 5 and 4 will give us 9, and that answer 9 is going to go in the middle of 5 and 4. So the answer to 54 into 11 is going to be 594. Now let's take up a difficult example, say 76 into 11. To do that, we'll apply the same principle. Take the 6 right on the right hand side of the answer, take the 7, put it on the left hand side of the answer, and then we are going to add 7 and 6. If we add 7 and 6, the answer to that will be 13. That's a 2-digit number. And that poses a problem because there's a carry forward 1. To do that, we take the 3 right next to 6 and the carry forward 1 and the initial 7 we are going to add. So we take the 7 from there, we take the 1 from there, and 1 plus 7 is going to give us an answer of 8. We take this 8 right in front of 3, and the answer to 76 into 11 will become 836, and that's going to be the right answer. Thanks for watching this episode, and do subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon if you have not done so far. Thanks once again. See you next time. Jai Hind.